Shopify Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The Shopify Affiliate Program is one of the best commission-based programs for promoting e-commerce solutions. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform, making it an easy sell for anyone targeting entrepreneurs, small business owners, and dropshippers. Affiliates earn a generous commission when they refer new customers to Shopify, with payouts based on the subscription plan chosen by the user. Features: Shopify affiliates earn a one-time commission for each new user who signs up for a paid plan through their referral link. Commissions range from $58 for the basic plan to over $2,000 for Shopify Plus referrals. The program provides affiliates with tracking links, promotional materials, and access to real-time analytics through the affiliate dashboard. Shopify is a trusted brand in the e-commerce industry, making conversions easier compared to lesser-known platforms. The program is free to join, but applicants must have a relevant audience, such as website owners, bloggers, YouTubers, or digital marketers. Payments are made via PayPal or bank transfer, typically on a monthly basis. Who is it for? The Shopify Affiliate Program is ideal for content creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers who educate audiences on e-commerce, dropshipping, and online business. It's especially effective for those who create tutorials, guides, or case studies about building an online store. Because Shopify is a premium product, it's best suited for affiliates who can attract high-intent users who are serious about starting or scaling an online business. Strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest advantages of the Shopify Affiliate Program is its high commission potential. The platform's strong brand reputation and market dominance make it easier to convert leads into paying customers. The affiliate dashboard provides detailed insights, allowing marketers to optimize their performance. However, the main drawback is that Shopify recently changed its commission structure, reducing the lifetime recurring commissions it once offered. Affiliates now earn one-time payments per sale instead of ongoing revenue. Additionally, approval is selective, meaning those without an established audience may struggle to get accepted. Final verdict: if you have an audience interested in e-commerce, Shopify's affiliate program is one of the best ways to monetize your content with high commissions. It's reliable, trusted, and effective for those who know how to drive targeted traffic. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.